I don't come again. Guys, once again, you are welcome back again to Jack Kitchen BCA. In today's video, guys, now Rishi. I'm going to be showing you how you can prepare your special Egusi soup. Hard chicken in place of bushmeat. Guys, if you want to learn how to dry this chicken, you are going to see a video of it soon. And if you are interested learning how to dry your mackerel, you can see that one also in my previous video of how you can dry this mackerel. Can you see it look lovely? When this one appear in your soup. Guys, can you see the chicken, how lovely it is? It's now become in place of bushmeat. Make yourself comfortable. Let's dive into it. Can you see today's recipe? So these are what I'm going to be using for this super egusi soup. So this is my stock fish. So this one is needed, crayfish. This is rings. This is a native Maggie, salt to taste, seasoning, Scotch bonnet pepper. I hope you are watching. I'll be using this beef, spinach. This is the main baba in this egusi, this soup, egusi soup. This is my palm oil. Alright, the next thing I will start with this my red pepper. Please feel free to check my description box. Everything that I will be using will be placed there for you. And after this pot of soup, guys, I know you have been preparing pot of soup. I believe you will have something new to add to what you know already. So, are you seeing what I'm doing? After I dice the red pepper, I'll just add this tin tomatoes, a little bit of it, because I don't want it to be, I don't really want too much liquid on it. That is why I blend it with the cup stone. So now I'm done. So for the tomatoes I used, if you can lay your hands on the fresh one instead of the cup one, I think it's more better. So I will grind it, but not too smooth. Can you see it? So this one is a fresh one. I will now add this to it where we live. I bought this one in Mercadona. So can you see how it looks like? I blend it without no water. The next thing I'm going to be doing, guys, this area is very important. Sometimes you buy your egusi, it's not too clean. There are still sharps on it. Many hands have touched it, dust. I love to really wash it. Can you see how clean, neat it is now? For hygienic purpose. So the next thing, I'm going to blend it. Just a little water also. Can you see it? Not really much, in order for the machine to be able to move. Guys, before you finish this video, share with your friends. Share. Have you share? Please share this video. Can you see how it looks like? Hey guys. So this is the stockfish. Is already washed. I will take it straight to my clean pot because it's hard. So I need to start with this so that it will become soft. So this is the cow greens that I'm going to be using. I'll add it to the same pot also because this one is also hard, so that I'll cook them together at the same time. This is the sliced onions that I'm going to be using also. I'll also add it. Sliced pepper, seasoning cube, a pinch of salt, not really much, just to taste. Thereafter, I will add a little bit of water. Water! Can you see it? Not really much also. I will stir it. So I will bring to my gas to cook. So it's already okay. So I will now transfer it into a bigger pot so that other protein can come in. So at this point, I will be adding my chicken laps and my beef to the same pot. So with that same water and ingredients, so I will leave it for a while. Hey guys, let's slice this my bushmeat. This chicken in place of bushmeat. Can you see? All those Nigeria bushmeat, this is how they look like. Guys, if you try it, yeah. Oh my god. Oh my god, so delicious. In fact, this method, guys, is not common. In fact, when you are tired of eating fried and boiled chicken, just go ahead and do this. Don't worry, you see the video. In case if you don't know how to do it, you'll see the video very soon. So this is my mackerel fish. I've already smoked it, and I also have a video of it, which is already on my YouTube. How to smoke your mackerel fish until catfish. I have the video already there. So I will add it to the same bowl. Oh, in fact, this soup na elele. All right, can you see the protein? They are really progressing. So this one is ready now. You are going to see the next thing I'm going to be doing. These chicken laps, I'll separate them with the beef. I don't really want to use it like this. I'll take it straight to my oven. I need all that different taste. Can you see it? Just for a few minutes, you will get it done. Can you see how it looks like now? So I'm not frying any of my meat. You see how I arrive at this point. Guys, oh, looks so yummy. Looks so yummy. I hope you are going to try it. Can you see the tomatoes and other things that I boiled before? So it's ready, and this is the egusi. It's ready. The next thing we are going to start with the egusi soup. So can you see my palm oil and the measurement that I'm using here also? It also be placed there in the screenshot box. Everything will be there. No one will be left. All right. Can you see it? So after a little while now, I will now add this tomato. I will stir gently. I will leave it for a while. That is crayfish, pepper, my seasoning cube, can you see? So it's now in form of stew now. Thereafter, I will now bring in my prepared meat. Guys, if you have not yet subscribed, what are you waiting for? Encourage your girl, your sister. Please subscribe. It costs you nothing. It's payment free. You have a lot and a lot to learn here. And please also help me to share with your family, your loved one. Are you seeing it? So after the stew is already prepared and the meat is already there, the next thing I'll bring the egusi in and I will stir it gently. And I will also leave it for a while. So at this point now, I will not add the stock immediately. I will leave it for a while. So after some time, I will now bring the stock. I will add it gradually. I'm still going to add, but I will not add it at the same time. So it's perfectly okay now. I'm not adding any stock again. So can you see how bubbly is the soup? Please, your comment also is also important. Leave your comment below. So this soup is about to be served, you know. Can you see it? So I will now add my spinach. So we are almost done with this soup. Once again, I appreciate you. God bless you. Thank you for always there for me. Thank you for your encouragement. Thank you for watching my video always. Please, if you have not yet subscribed, don't watch this video and go without subscribing. Subscribe, share, turn the notification bell so that whenever I upload, you will be first to be notified. Bye bye.